Hey, what's up, everyone? So, our topic for today is how to grab this list or table or import data to Spreadsheet. So, let's get started. I already have my example here. I wanted to grab this list. So, first, you'll type in equals import HTML. So here is the URL. This is the URL. Copy and paste it. Also, don't forget the quote. These two quote here. Then comma. Table. Quote again. Table. Oh no. And then why I'll choose 3 because this is 1 table, 2 table, and 3rd table. So I'll choose 3 in order to get this 2019 list. So just put 3 and then hit enter. So that's it.
And that's it. I hope it helps you a lot. Please request any video tutorial. Just comment it down below and let's try doing it. And I'll see you on my next video.